Hi, welcome to Kulick's Pancake Recipes. I'm guitarist Bruce Kulick.
And I'm Lisa Lane Kulick. Bruce, do you know what the difference is between waffles and pancakes?
Well, pancakes are fluffy and soft and airy, but waffles have crispy golden brown edges, which I love, and chewy centers.
Yes, they do. And they also have little holes as well as a plaid texture from the waffle iron.
Well, they have the same ingredients. However, waffles have more sugar, be careful, and of course, they're cooked using a well-greased waffle iron to get that plaid vibe,
Yep.
right? They're both awesome, so enjoy.